Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here. I'm sharing 4 30-minute meals today as part of Whistle Stop Homestead's 30-minute meal collaboration. We're going to kick it off with Italian sausage sandwiches, so let's get started. All right, we're starting out with Italian sausages. You want to remove the casings, slice them long ways, open them up, and fry them in your skillet. All right, I pulled out the sausage now that they're cooked, and I'm going to add in here. I drained the grease. We're adding in a jar of spaghetti sauce. For these, you really don't want chunky. This is a pretty good one. Now, we're going to start adding these guys back in. So I'll get all of the sausage added in here, and I'll be back with you. All right, here they are. You can see I cooked them pretty hard. And I'm going to let these simmer in here a little bit. I'll turn them over. Get them good and saucy on both sides. All right, get your hoagie rolls, open them up on a cookie sheet. You want to layer some Swiss cheese, or you could do provolone if you wanted. And then you're going to put one of your sausages on top of that, and then put another slice of cheese on top of that, and then top your hoagie roll off with the other piece of bread. And then you're going to wrap it in aluminum foil, and you'll put it in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. And there you have it. Take it out of the oven. Be careful, it will be hot. And then let's go ahead and give you a bite here. Yum. All right, let's go on to the next meal. All right, this next meal is sausage and cabbage and onions fried in the skillet with some garlic noodles. And don't forget your jalapeno on the side. And this is super easy. It's such a family regular. I start out, this time I use smoked sausage. You can use kielbasa or whatever, but you cut them up into little discs, fry them in your skillet with some onions, and you can see we like the sausage hard cooked, but you know, you want to be careful not to burn them too much. But get those fried up, and then while that's going, go ahead and get your pasta in the water boiling, and don't overcook it. Don't overcook your noodles, whatever you do. It'll mess it all up. So once your sausage is cooked well with the onions, you can go ahead and add in your cabbage and garlic. And notice I cut the cabbage in about 1-inch blocks and just sliced the garlic. But if you wanted to press your garlic so it's a little more ground up, that's fine. Whatever works for you. And then once the cabbage is in there, for your noodles, you want to go ahead and add in some butter, and you're going to add in some Parmesan, some garlic salt, a little bit of pepper, and that's how I just season the noodles up, just like that. This is such a common family meal that my kids love it, my husband loves it. It's just something we have all the time. But there you go, and yum. This is just a wonderful meal to have. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, so what we have here are some cut up chicken breasts that are sliced thin, and we seasoned them with this Allegro original marinade and some garlic powder. And we're now going to go ahead and get these put on the grill. All right, there's our chicken tenders on the grill. It'll take them about 10 minutes to grill. And let's go ahead and get the other stuff going. All right, here's our peppers. You can see how we've got those cut kind of julienne style. And onions, did the same kind of thing there. We're gonna go ahead and get these added to the hot skillet, hot cast iron. It's got a little bit of butter in it. We'll get that cooked, and then I'll show you what we'll do next. We added a little bit of black pepper and put a little garlic salt on there. We're just going to cook these up until they're soft. All right, we're going to go ahead and get these off of here. You can see they're looking pretty done, and we don't want them too soft. All right, so here we've got some cabbage really thinly sliced. You want to cook this very lightly. You definitely don't want it overcooked. So we're going to let it cook for just a minute here, and then we'll pull that off too. And here it is. Yum. Grilled chicken is amazing. These are grilled chicken fajitas. You got your tortillas that you cooked on the grill. And don't forget your sauteed bell peppers, onions, and very lightly sauteed cabbage so that it's still crispy. You gotta try that. This is amazing and super fast. Should we grill more? Yes. On to the next meal. All right, what you're looking at is 2 ribeye steaks. These make such a quick meal. You could do the same thing with pork chops, like the meal I'm going to show you. But basically with these steaks, we've got these seasoned up with the seasonings you see here. This is at Chef's Choice from Thrive Life. Garlic, salt, pepper, and liquid aminos. We have seasoned these up and we're going to let them sit for about 15 minutes. You could marinate these earlier if you'd like, but when we go to grill them, we like to grill them when they're almost at room temperature. And my husband swears that that really impacts the flavor. If you want a really medium rare steak, you want to cook these about 4.5 minutes per side on a hot grill. All right, so we're gonna let these finish marinating, get them on the grill, and I'll show you what else we're gonna make with this for our 30-minute meal. Four and a half minutes each side. 5 minutes. Turn them over. 5 minutes more in the microwave. Now, while you all watch me go ahead and plate this food, I don't know if you use cottage cheese as a side dish, but it makes a great side dish with tomatoes. I do want to also remind you to go check out the description box down below, and I'll give you a link to the playlist of other 30-minute meals. I hope you've enjoyed watching 30-minute meals that our family has. All of these are really common meals for our household, and I hope you enjoyed that. And you see me getting all of our plates set up here for this wonderful meal. Hope you all enjoyed that. You just can't go wrong with food on the grill, right? Thank you all so much for watching. And until I see you next time, remember everybody, keep your joy.